Welcome to DesignForge. At DesignForge, we specialize in turning innovative ideas into reality through expert product design and engineering. Today, we're giving you an inside look at how we use cutting-edge software to create detailed, three-dimensional models of new products and inventions. One of the powerful tools we use is an advanced three-dimensional modeling software known for its integrated CAD, CAM, and CAE capabilities. This software allows us to seamlessly design, test, and refine our models, ensuring the highest quality outcomes. At DesignForge, our process begins with brainstorming and conceptualizing the initial idea. From there, we move into detailed design and modeling, utilizing our software's robust features to bring the concept to life. We then run simulations and analyses to test the design under various conditions, making any necessary adjustments. Finally, we prepare the design for manufacturing, ensuring every detail is perfect. The software we use provides numerous benefits that enhance our work. Its cloud collaboration capabilities enable our team to work together seamlessly, no matter where we are. Integrated tools streamline our workflow, and advanced simulation features help us refine designs to perfection. These features are why DesignForge consistently delivers top-tier product development. We've had numerous success stories at DesignForge, thanks to our innovative use of this software. One of our clients needed a complex mechanical part designed and manufactured quickly. With our expertise and the software's powerful tools, we delivered a high-quality solution that exceeded their expectations. Ready to bring your product idea to life? Contact DesignForge today to get started on your next project. Visit our website or reach out to us directly. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more insights into our design process.